Hey, baby doll. I think it is time for us to discuss what each of us is bringing to the table. Since I am a fair man, I will go first. The first thing I am bringing is romance. You already know I am completely hopeless when it comes to loving you, so there is really no point pretending otherwise. The second thing I am bringing is my cooking skills, on the days I decide to show off in the kitchen. Now, I cannot promise every meal will be perfect. There may be a few dishes that require courage before tasting, but I can promise the effort will be there. The third thing I am bringing is unlimited cuddles. That service will be available during the day, at night, on weekends, on holidays, and whenever my favorite woman decides she needs them. I am also bringing loyalty. That one is non-negotiable. Because when I love someone, I take that responsibility very seriously. On top of that, I am bringing enough affection to keep you spoiled for years. You might complain about it at first, but I have a feeling you will eventually get used to being adored. Now, there is one more thing I should probably mention. I am also bringing a small amount of harmless jealousy whenever other men suddenly discover how amazing you are. Don't worry, I plan to handle that situation very professionally. I will simply stand proudly beside you and remind myself that I am the lucky man who gets to hold your hand. After all, I would like the world to know that I am very fond of the woman on my arm. So that is my contribution to this partnership. Romance, cooking, loyalty, affection, unlimited cuddles, and a tiny amount of jealousy that appears whenever people start noticing what I noticed a long time ago. Now, before you answer, please remember that this is a serious meeting. We are discussing important business. I have already presented my entire offer, and, if I may say so myself, it is a very competitive package. So take your time, sweetheart. Review the proposal carefully. Then tell me, what exactly is my queen bringing to the table? Because if we are going to build this beautiful future together, I think it is only fair that I know what wonderful things are coming with the woman who completely stole my heart. Anyways, it's me again, your cranky man, and I'll be right here waiting for you when you press play.